Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to your own channel AI Training to Official Viewers. Today in this video we are going to discuss how to use cloth modifier in 3ds Max. Very simple and easy. I will cover all the aspects related to cloth modifier, that is UVW mapping, simulation, turbo smooth, everything will be covered in this video, so you just have to watch the video and try to observe the things that I am telling you. I'm Money. Let's get started. Well, I have just opened 3ds Max. It doesn't matter which version are you using, the process is quite similar. So basically we are discussing two methods here. At first we will discuss mcloth and later on we will move to cloth modifier. For mcloth, create a box or any shape you want to draw from geometry tab. I am drawing a box, so create a box, give it a little bit height. Okay. Now here you will see an option that is animation. In animation tab you will see an option mass effects, and mass effects rigid bodies, and the box will be our set selected as static rigid body. There are basically three options: dynamic, kinematic and static. So I am going to use box as a static rigid body. Okay. Now make a plane, go to geometry tab, make a plane. In the top view, basically we will change the plane to our cloth modifier. So make a plane, adjust it, length, width, I think length width is quite large, so okay. Now go to modifier list, modifying tab, and give it a length segments of 20 and width segment would also be 20. Enter. In the top view you will see we have 20 length segments and 20 width segments. So now move it to the top. In the front view, give it a height. Just adjust it a little bit. Okay. Now again go to animation tab and then mass effects. Here you will see an option cloth, create mcloth. Okay. The plane would be our mcloth. And now where the magic will happen. So go to animation tab, mass effects and simulation. Here you will see an option play simulation. There are basically different options: play, step or reset simulation. So I'm going to play the simulation. Okay. So in the front view you will see that our plane is changed to mcloth. Okay. Here you will also see in the perspective view your plane is changing to mcloth. Okay, this is the first method. Now I'm going to use the second method, that is cloth modifier. So first of all delete this one. So for cloth modifier I am going to draw some shape, that is sphere. So draw a sphere, move it to the top. Okay. Now make a plane, go to maximize viewpoint toggle, and in the top view make a plane over the sphere. Okay. Now go to modifying tab, and here you will see an option length segment and width segment. So if you have any other segments you can change it to 20 length segments and 20 width segments. Okay. Now move the plane to the top of the sphere. So here it is. Okay. Yeah. Now go to modifier list and type cloth CL. Type, you will see an option cloth modifier. Now there are multiple options, that is object properties and cloth forces. So you have to select object properties. In object properties select plane, and plane would be our cloth. Okay. Now go to add objects, and add objects, select sphere and press add. Okay, now plane would be our cloth, and in the bottom you will see an option collision object. So plane would be our cloth and sphere would be our collision object. Now plane would be our cloth, and here you will see an option presets. Presets basically is the type of cloth which we are using. So now I am using normally a satin. Okay, and sphere would be our collision object. Now press OK, and here you will see the magic that is going to happen. Okay, now click on simulate local. Oh my god, this is something we are searching for. So this is this plane has been changed to cloth modifier. At first we have discussed mcloth, and this is the process of using cloth modifier in 3ds Max. Now we will adjust another thing, that is turbo smooth. So for more smoothness of cloth you will use another modifier, that is turbo smooth. So in the modifying list, modifier list, you will see an option turbo smooth. Where it is? Okay, so there's a turbo smooth. Click on that one, and you will see the cloth is more going to be smooth. Okay, this is what I was searching for exactly. Now if you want to change the UVW mapping, you can change it in modifier list, that is go to UVW mapping, where it is, yeah, UVW map, and in here it is select planar. According to your need you can change it to cylindrical, sphere or box. Okay, so if you want to apply some material on your cloth, so you can simply press M, go to compact material editor, and apply some material to our cloth. So physical material, if you are using V-Ray, then definitely here you will see an option V-Ray material. Okay, diffuse, bitmap, and select the material which you are using. So I'm going to use this one, assign and show material viewpoint. Okay, now if you want to change its UVW mapping, then simply go to modifier list and UVW mapping. Okay, if it is in planar, you can cylindrical use, or spherical and box, definitely. So here's the different option you can use. Okay, so basically we have discussed two methods of using cloth modifier. At first we have used mcloth, and later on we have discussed cloth modifier. So basically these two are using in 3ds Max while modeling of a bed or sofa or something else. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like the video, subscribe the channel for more videos and press the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep sporting. Thank you.